Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news, we were talking about, the decline of Mac sales and of PC sales. PC sales roughly 30% down year over year. Mac sales down 32% year over year. The Chromebooks, someone was asking about the Chromebooks. And, I do have still my Chromebook here, an Asus Chromebook that I use regularly, like the fact that it has a very, very long battery life. I could spend pretty much a day. And of course, Chromebook sales were on the rise when PC sales were on the rise also. But Chromebooks are different, and Chromebooks don't offer the full capabilities of a real PC. Chromebooks are much more concentrated on an online experience. It's like basically using a browser with apps from the Google Store, but it's not Android, it's really Chromebook. So it lacks in so many aspects, in so many ways of things that you could do and the power that it has to do it. Also, a lot of Chromebooks are kind of expensive for what a Chromebook is all about. So it's not a surprise, but the Chromebooks are actually declining a lot more. We talked about 30%, 32% on PC and Mac. Chromebooks is more like 45%, and that has been a steep decline also since 2022. So this is kind of interesting. They're expecting that there's about 112 million Chromebooks that are going to be sold in 2023. That's from a high of more than 200 million. And there is going to be at least 260 million PCs sold in 2023, which is a decline from the 300 plus million we've reached before, just as the pandemic hit. But it's still better than pre-pandemic, but everybody's declining. But it would seem that since 2022, Chromebooks are declining at a really fast pace, faster than the rest of the PC market. So I think the lack of support for most software for Chromebooks, and also the nature of what a Chromebook is all about, is probably not exactly what a lot of people want. When you buy a computer, you probably, if you're a Mac person, you'll probably buy another Mac. You're used to that, and you work with your software, you work with, your hardware, and you do your stuff on the Mac. It's like a Windows PC. If you buy a PC, you want to have the capabilities that Windows actually offers. So you'll buy a Windows PC for that reason, to install the software you like, to do what you want. And I think a lot of people get a Chromebook and kind of hit a wall because they're realizing they can't do what they do with a Windows machine. So it's an interesting market, and it's going to be interesting to see what's the future of Chromebooks actually. I enjoy mine, but it's definitely not what I use every day. I use it for long battery life for online stuff. That works well. But it's definitely not my machine that I'm using to do things because it lacks in capabilities. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.